y'all, what's up? It's Jade with Crafty, Witty, and Witty, and today I'm going to be taking apart the toddler swing bed that I made for my 3-year-old. As much as I like it, I don't think he does. So he doesn't sleep in here very well. So we're going to turn it into just a simple bunk and add a twin on the bottom as well. The mattress arrives tomorrow. I can't wait, which means I need to go ahead and get this done today. I hope you guys like the video, watch the video, and make sure you subscribe. Thanks.
Okay, y'all, so first things first, let's go ahead and take this bed down. So I went ahead and unscrewed all the clips that were holding the bed to the chains. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I was kind of sad taking this bed down. Like I said, I really like this bed. This bed was a confident booster for me. I was super nervous to try something new, and it came out super cute. I really liked it. The kids liked it to play on it, but he just didn't sleep in here very well. So for that reason, we are just gonna go ahead and turn it into the traditional bunk. One twin on the top and one twin on the bottom. Okay, so now that the bed is down, I need to take off the chains and then take out the nut and the bolt, which it's not really a bolt. It has a circle on the end that the clips connected the chain and then the chain connected to the bed. So I tried to use my hammer at first. That didn't work very well. Once I actually took the chain down, I realized that it would be easier for me to unscrew the circle bolt, I'm going to call it, from the bedpost itself. Okay, and then I repeated that for all 4 legs. Next, it was time to make my cuts. And I just wanted to take some time out to show you guys that I love, love, love the imperfections that come in the wood. Sometimes I feel like a lot of people may run away from the knots in the wood, but to me, they're so pretty. They make each piece unique, and I just wanted to show y'all before I painted.
All right, hey y'all, so I'm back. I went ahead and added these little, I'm gonna call them pleats, to hold up the bed frame. So I'm doing this a little different than I did the first one. I'm gonna go ahead, and this is gonna be part of the box that's going to hold the mattress up. I'm gonna go ahead and screw these in here, and yeah. Okay, so now that I have this part attached with the screws, I'm gonna go ahead and attach this piece. Get down, goofball, it's not ready yet.
One more. Oh, one more. One more over there.
As you could probably tell, my son was super excited. So once I had the box put together, I went ahead and attached some 2x2s to each of the long sides that would hold the slats for the mattress. For my slats, I just used some random scrap wood that I had in my garage. Put them down. One more time for the swing bed. I am going to miss it, but I will be back. I'll build you again, I promise. Here's the final result, guys. Just a standard 2-twin bunk bed. It's Crafty and Witty with Jade. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Look me up on Etsy. Love you guys.